Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to cancel Udemy subscription. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up your preferred web browser. Over here, you can use any browser like Google Chrome. After that, go to the Udemy website. Then, click on the login button at the top right corner. Over here, if you signed up using Google, click on the Google icon and select the Google account linked with your Udemy subscription. Then complete any verification steps if prompted. After that, you will be redirected to the Udemy homepage. Over here, hover your cursor over your profile photo at the top right corner. Then, from the drop down menu, click on Subscriptions. Over here, you'll see your subscription details under Active Plans. Then, find the subscription you want to cancel. After that, click on the Cancel option next to your subscription. Then, confirm the cancellation when prompted. Over here, Udemy may ask for a reason. You can provide feedback or skip it. So that's basically how you can cancel Udemy subscription. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.